Hey there, my YouTube friends, coming at you here with a quick update here on the Monkee Mobile. I last week gave a update on getting this kit and gave you a little unboxing of the kit. It was a used kit. It was parts were all there. The only thing not there is the Monkee decal, which I have been looking online for. Can't find one. So let me just say this kit is not very great. You can tell this is an old NPC kit. It goes together like an old NPC kit. Um, it's a little bit of a bear to do, but you know what? It's looking pretty decent. So let me show you what I got here real quickly. So we'll start off with the chassis. Go down here and boom, there's the chassis. Not a lot to look at there. The engine, you don't see the engine anyways because it gets covered up by that weird hood. And then they got all these cool pieces that come off the hood, which apparently in a real car, all that was fake. It was just this engine underneath there. Underneath, it's a standard chassis. I painted it flat black, did silver on the exhaust, silver on the gas tank, just did a blue on the engine block. The wheels are held together with the metal axle. Uh, this is the 2000 kit, so the tires, well, the 2000 kit here, they give you these tires and the wheels, but on the box it shows the red line wheels, which would be accurate for a 60s Pontiac. But the pictures I could find online are actually the Goodyear Polyglass tires, which would also be accurate on a 60 Pontiac. But these are just straight up Goodyear tires. I know I got a set of Polyglass on my spare parts, but I decided not to get them because this is just going together like garbage. So I didn't want to put too much effort into it, just make it look good. What I find interesting is the wheels, nice Kragers, are actually too small for the tires, so they just kind of float right through. These are being held together by a lot of super glue. So, yeah. Good luck with that if you're trying that. So, put that together. Got, like I said, the engine parts there. The interior, now there's two interiors for this car. They had two cars for the TV show. The car on the TV show, the interior was tan and the top was tan. George Barris took possession of one of the cars, at least one of the cars. I don't know if he took both. And refurbished it, redid it, and did a white and black interior, which is the one I did here. I used pictures offline. I just think it looks clean, it looks nice. Now, the one with the refurbished interior, the white one, also has the white top. So if you're doing that one, you need the white top, or if you're doing the tan one, you do the tan top. So here's the body. Big 66 GTO. I like my Pontiacs. Painted in the Tamiya bright red. Um, got a pretty good paint job on it. Obviously got to polish it up a little bit. The trim work around the window is done by the Tester's silver pen. I really enjoy using that. You can see it needs another coat. Wait for it to dry a little bit more. Got a couple cracks that came with the kit there, right there, and right there. You can see where it's broken. But there's the window that goes behind it, so hopefully it'll be okay when you put the window in. On the back, you kind of just slide this underpiece in there, kind of Batmobile-ish looking. It is George Barris after all. I do have the lights in there, but you really can't see them. So I didn't know how to do with that. So I still got to paint the parachute that goes on the back, and then I got the license plates, which comes in with chrome. I painted it a little gold edging around there, clean that up a little bit. That'll look okay. The front end needed a little sanding when you put the bottom piece on there, the piece that wraps underneath there. Didn't quite go together as well as I would like to have, but you know what, it looks pretty good. Obviously painted black and turn signal amber on the grill there for the lights. It's looking good. So once all this goes together, I'm do that coat of polish stuff that I was talking about in my last video with the Impala. So the interior will kind of just slide right on top here if I can get it, and it's not going to go in for me right now. And then this is going to go on top here. So it should be okay. Should be okay. One thing I find kind of interesting also on this kit, which makes it kind of horrible, is you got the nice curvature of the window. The curvature is not on the top. So when you put the top on, it doesn't line up for nothing. So she'll just sit on there and look like that, which you could see on the model kit. It is like that too. So anyways, this is my quick update here of the Monkee Mobile. As you can see, I got the bike almost done there. It's looking really good. And that guy's still waiting for couple parts. But anyways, yeah, the next video of the Monkee Mobile should be completed, so stick around and wait for it to be completed, and wait for a video of the bike pretty soon too. So, all right, everybody. Appreciate everybody watching. Appreciate everybody. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.